Good morning, everybody. The work week started again, and yeah, I don't like that. I had 2 weeks of holidays, and it could be more. My hair is blonder now. Again, my lovely husband dyed my hair, and I can show you now before and after, or before, during, and after. Yeah, I'm very happy with the results. And yeah, I'm working from home today. Yesterday I was in the office and it was good as you like offices. Yeah, but they were really nice to me, and they offered me a contract for 1 year, and yeah, I applied for it. So let's see how this will work. And it's a replacement for a maternity leave for this time. Yeah, so that's the news. I bought some new Invisibubbles because they are the slim ones, you know. Usually let me show you the comparison. Usually I use these, but there are also these. They are very slim and they are matte, and inside they are pink. So yeah. I can't resist when I see new Invisibubble stuff. I'm addicted to them. I asked them if I can work for them, I think on LinkedIn, because they are in Munich, and if I can stay in Hamburg and work for them, and they said no, we don't like remote work. And so they are missing something. Yeah, oh, this feels very good. You know, this feeling when you are making a bun without a mirror, just a quick one, just to get your hair out of the face, and then you are looking into the mirror and say, oh, it's the best bun I ever made. How did I make it? And yeah, you are not able to style it again. So I'm happy with that. I will leave that as long as I can. Yeah, there's a meeting in an hour with the whole HR team. It's hybrid, so we can join from home or in the office, so in reality. Yeah, so that's it. Anything else? What happened last week? Last week it was also a holiday week, and we went to the Harry Potter theater, to the Cursed Child, but in German. It was great as it was in London, but I would recommend London more because it's the original one, and yeah, I can't explain, but it was both good. So if you prefer German, go to Hamburg. And the door closed because of the wind. Where's the wind? It's so hot. It's not as hot as in some other parts of Germany or in the UK. Gina just told me it's 30 degrees, and I can't imagine how you feel. You can't move because every movement causes sweat. Yeah. We just binged Love is Blind Japan on Netflix, and it was funny. It was really funny. The Japanese people, they are so different, and yeah, it was something different to watch. So yeah, it was quite good, and we just turned our living room into a cinema. I will show you, it's very dark in there because we bought some new blinds. I will show you. So this is our cinema now, and a nice effect is that when it's so hot and the sun is coming from this side the whole day, it's not as hot when we come home or when we are staying home, because they are isolated. They have this silver coat. You see that? This silver coat on the back. And yeah, great! I cut this shirt, so this was until here and very long, and I cut it from on the top and on the bottom, risking that it is too much or ugly, but when I don't, it was ugly to wear for me before, so I took the risk, and it's okay. So it's a short one now, and yeah. And I got some Gymshark leggings. So Zoe Suck just influenced me. Her butt looked so beautiful in those new leggings. Her butt looked very cute, and I thought maybe my butt looks cute in it too. So I will show you later both of the leggings, and I show you the normal one and the new one with a special stitch on the butt area. And yeah, I felt very sexy and self-confident when I tried them on, and I was jumping through the flat and said, "Ooh, look at my butt, look at my butt." So yeah, I will show you both of them and my butt. I decided for a little fruit salad. I still have an apple from the picnic I went on last week and some apricots. They feel a little soft, too soft for my feeling, but anyway, we need to eat them. So it looks like this. What a surprise! I think I will sprinkle some oats on it and maybe a bit of juice, because otherwise it's so dry. So this is the best apple juice ever, the best natural one, you know. It's from this, wait, it's from this picnic place we went last year, and I went there last week again, and yeah, it's an apple or a fruit farm, and they have apple juice out of their apples, and I like the Braeburn one because it's a bit sour and sweet, and yeah, tastes really nice. And now I will mix everything together, and then I'm ready for breakfast. Okay, now is the time. I'm showing you the Gymshark leggings. So this is the dark blue one, as you can see. So it looks like this. So this is the other one in cooperation with Whitney Simmons. There's a little metal thing in here, and there were difficult colors, but I went for this one, and yeah, I think it's very nice. It's not tight, and I think it looks very good, and I'm really happy about this purchase. So as I'm having a lack of sports, I think I will have a little sports session, not a crazy one, but just a bit of workout, as it is quite warm in here. But anyway, we need some exercise, just a bit of exercise. Oof. Whew. Done. Most of it. Yeah, most of it. Most of it done. It is 26 degrees in here. I guess that isn't helping when you're doing sports. But maybe it's good. So everything is warm. I will hop into the shower and hope you enjoyed my little workout time lapse. See you. We're having a visitor, that's why I have to film the bedroom. And I just wanted to share with you, I found this Foss water, and it's a lime mint sparkling one. And here it is, and I wanted to taste it with you. Oh, it's just a hint. Just a hint of lime. Maybe they put a whole lime in sparkling water and take it out. Tastes like this. I don't know if it's worth the money. Okay, that's it. We are having now dinner, a little Asian food, some soup and some duck I went for. See you!